Let's be honest, traditional studying feels ancient. It's like we're stuck in a time warp, doing things the same way our parents and even grandparents did. Sitting in stuffy classrooms, staring at faded textbooks, and pretending to take in every word. It's no wonder so many of us feel disconnected and bored. You're stuck with highlighters, endless notes, and flashcards until your hand cramps. The process is repetitive, and it often feels like you're just going through the motions, highlighting everything but remembering nothing. The pile of notes grows, but your confidence doesn't. It's slow, stressful, and barely effective. You spend hours trying to memorize facts, only to forget them when it matters most. The pressure builds, and studying becomes something you dread instead of something that helps you grow. The real problem? Outdated tools, not you. We live in a world of instant everything, but our study methods are stuck in the past. While technology has transformed almost every part of our lives, studying still feels like it's lagging behind, clinging to old habits that just don't work anymore. Hours wasted organizing notes could be spent actually learning, or just living. Imagine what you could do with all that extra time. Studying shouldn't feel like punishment or a never-ending chore. It should empower you, not drain you. What if there was a faster, smarter, and even fun way to learn? Imagine learning that fits your lifestyle, not the other way around. It's time to upgrade, to embrace tools that make studying efficient and enjoyable. If you can order pizza in 2 minutes, why should making study notes take hours? Let's bring studying into 2026, where learning is as quick, easy, and satisfying as anything else you do online. The future of studying is here. Are you ready to join in? The solution? AI, specifically Cognito Flash. It's your personal assistant for studying, and it's simple. Open your browser, search Cognito Flash AI, and click Get Started for free. Sign up with Google, Apple, or email. No payment needed. The dashboard is clean and easy to use. Explore the menu. My Decks, create new, settings, make it yours, choose your subject and color theme. These tweaks help the AI tailor your experience. Setup takes less than a minute. No downloads, no fuss. You're ready to go. That's all it takes to start smarter studying. Now, let's see the magic. Let's face it, messy notes can make studying feel overwhelming. But what if you could transform that chaos into something powerful? Now, let's turn your messy notes into useful flashcards that actually help you learn, not just collect dust. Start by copying your lecture notes, no matter how chaotic or disorganized they might seem. Don't worry about the mess, just get everything down, whether it's scribbles, bullet points, or half-finished sentences. Open Cognito Flash on your laptop, click on Create New Deck, and simply paste your notes right into the app. It doesn't matter if your notes are long or short, the app can handle it. Next, choose how many flashcards you want to create. You can start with 10 or 15, or pick a number that matches your study style. Then, hit Generate Flashcards and let the magic happen. In just seconds, the AI scans your notes and pulls out the most important key concepts, dates, and definitions. It's like having a personal tutor who highlights what matters most. Each flashcard is neatly organized with a clear question on one side and a concise answer on the other, making revision straightforward and effective. No more guessing what to study. What used to take an hour of sorting and rewriting now takes just 30 seconds. Imagine all the time you'll save for other subjects, or even for a well-deserved break. Repeat this process for every lecture, and by the end of the week, you'll have organized decks for every subject. Your study materials will finally be in order, ready whenever you need them. The best part? You can access your flashcards anywhere, on your phone, laptop, or tablet. Study in the library, on the bus, or even while relaxing in the park. You've just made studying efficient, portable, and stress-free. No more wasted time or last-minute cramming. With Cognito Flash, you're working smarter, not harder, and your grades will thank you. Got your flashcards ready? Let's talk about a powerful technique that can transform the way you study. It's called the 5-minute blitz. This method is all about making the most of those tiny pockets of time you usually overlook. Think about all those spare moments in your day, waiting for the kettle to boil, riding the bus, or winding down before bed. Instead of letting those minutes slip by, you can turn them into productive study sessions. Just open your flashcard deck, set a 5-minute timer, and challenge yourself to blitz through as many cards as possible. It's quick, focused, and surprisingly effective. Don't worry about getting every answer right. The goal isn't perfection, it's about repeated exposure. The more your brain sees the information, the more it sticks. This is the magic of spaced repetition. Short, frequent bursts of study are proven to help you remember more than long, exhausting cramming sessions. And the best part? Anyone can find 5 minutes no matter how busy your schedule is. Whether you're between classes or waiting for a friend, there's always time for a quick blitz. Try fitting in a few blitzes throughout your day. Before you know it, those short sessions add up, and you'll have revised for hours, without even feeling stressed or overwhelmed. It's simple, it's effective, and it really boosts your confidence as you see yourself improving bit by bit. No more dreading revision, just small manageable steps that show real progress. You'll be amazed at how quickly you start to remember things. Studying becomes less of a chore and more like a quick fun game. Look for those 5-minute gaps and make them count. Blitz your way to better grades. It's a small change to your routine, but it can lead to massive results. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. That's it. Smarter studying isn't about working harder, just better. With AI flashcards and the 5-minute blitz, you're organized and confident. No more panic or last-minute cramming. You'll walk into exams prepared and calm. This isn't just a study hack, it's a life upgrade. More time for friends, hobbies, and yourself. Less stress, more results. Take 10 minutes today to set it up. This is studying for 2026. Efficient, effective, and made for real students. You're in control now. Go and be brilliant.